In this video, you are going to see how to insert multiple line watermark in Microsoft Word document. Let's get started. Let us go to Design, go to Watermark, click on Custom Watermark. Then here, click on Text Watermark and let us write some text here. Now click on OK. Then a watermark will be added. Now go to Insert, go to Header, click on Edit Header. Now click on this watermark, then it will be selected. Now press Ctrl C to copy and press Ctrl V to paste. Now move it like this. Now click on right button over here and click on Edit Text. And you can write another text here and click on OK. So I have successfully created 2-line watermark. If you want to make 3-line, you can copy and paste it and you can move it anywhere, or you can decrease its size. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.